Welcome to TechTether. PLDT Router Login. PLDT Router web interface allows you to change Wi-Fi password, network name, create guest network, and various default settings at http://192.168.1.1. Open your computer or laptop. Connect your device to your PLDT router's network. You can also use an Ethernet cable to connect your device directly to the router's Ethernet port. Open a web browser of your choice. Type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Next, a login screen appears. Enter your router's default login details. Enter username, admin and password, 1234 and click Login. The default login details will be printed on a sticker on the back of your router/modem. You will be logged into the PLDT router. Change PLDT Wi-Fi password and SSID. Log in to the PLDT router settings page using the aforementioned method. Click Network and under VLAN Settings menu click Advanced. Enter your network name in the SSID name field. Under Security Policy, select Security Mode as POPSQA2PSK. Enter your Wi-Fi password in the passphrase field. Press Apply to save the changes. Thanks for watching.